Food. I need food. Water? We're starting to freeze. Oh, yeah, that's why. Hey. Oh, we had another baby hatch. Where is it? Can you not be broody right here? Thank you. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? I see a broken eggshell. You must show me the child. Should have had the door put back on here. Hey, who's got it? Good bird. Who's got the baby? Do you have it? Can I see? Can I see? Hi. There you go. What about y'all? How about your two babies? There's one. Where's the other one? There was two. I'm gonna guess it's under there. Oh, no, don't run away. Yes, sir. You're mad. This isn't your coop. Got it. Okay, remember what that looked like in our earlier video? Yeah, I had to rip all that down because it would make the pins collapse. How do I know from when that happened last year? So, the ice, it disintegrated. Look. But I guess I got about 2 years out of it, so it was ripping stuff on the top anyway, so. Take what I can get. I already got their new sunscreens ordered. Everyone's good. Oh, yay! Someone laid an egg in the back where I can't get it. You're so kind. Yeah, please. This says I'm a sunscreen, not a snow ice screen. Oh, we did have some more lay their eggs though. Let's see what that was. Those are pretty though. Crap. Oh, look, hello speckles. If you hadn't guessed, I am a heavy bloom speckle queen. I don't know why I'm even talking. Maybe like on YouTube I'll release this unedited version. There's my honeysuckle. Poor honeysuckle. Shit. Sorry, breaking all my cussing. Look guys, I'm gonna give you a tip. Eat the ice. Snow, whatever this is. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Decided it's better to stay inside. Now you know I locked you in last night. Alright, guys. It's 5 o'clock. Cover up your feet again. See if these guys did anything. Yes. This is my silver rods and lead bars. Oh, my face is cold. This pin is a pain ass. Come on.